How to use coins on Trendyol. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Trendyol coins for exclusive discounts on purchases via iOS or Android. And I'm going to show you where coins are accepted, how to apply for them at checkout, and key regional limitations to keep in mind. So first of all, you're going to simply open your Trendyol application and then you're going to head over to account here at the bottom right. After that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on coin balance. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to somewhat like this and you'll be able to see your coin balance over here. So what basically are coins is that when you share your referral link or when you share your items code with other people and when they sign up to this application using your referral link or buy something using your referral link, so you will get coins in return. Or you can also scratch cards and get coins. So once you get coins, you can convert the coins into coupon that you can use at the checkout page. You can simply buy any item and type down that coupon number over there, and then you will get numerous discounts. So when you earn coins, you can simply click on convert to coupon, and then you can type in the amount of coins that you wish to convert. For example, 10,000 coins is equal to 100 TRY, and after that you can convert that to coupon. Click on convert to coupon and you're good to go. And then you can simply head over and type that coupon down at the checkout page, such as go to cart over here, and you can type down that coupon code over here and click on apply. So that is basically how you can use coins on Trendyol. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.